Hey guys, Alisha here. This is going to be part 2 of how much a small YouTuber makes on YouTube. I did a video a few days ago on Sunday. Today is Thursday, and I wanted to update this and just show you how much it actually finalized at or is about finalized at because they usually do the cutoff about the 10th or the 11th of the month in the United States. I'm not quite sure what that is in other countries, but I know in the U.S. I get paid on the 21st by direct deposit every month, and if it falls on a weekend or a holiday, then they pay the following business day. So if you are new to my channel and you want to learn how to make money online, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos about how to make money online. Okay, so here is my channel here. You can tell that since Sunday I have gained a lot more subscribers. I'm now at 5,754 subscribers, and that keeps increasing each and every day. And I'm going to go ahead and go into Creator Studio. Now, YouTube has come out with a new analytics program. If you have not watched my last video, I still have not had a chance to actually delve into that and maneuver my way around it to learn how to do it. But that's on my list, and when I do, I'm going to make a video on it so everybody can understand how to use that. The reason that I'm doing these videos is because I am encouraging everyone to start a YouTube channel. Because everyone is an expert at something, okay? It doesn't matter if it's, you crochet or whatever it is that you do that you truly enjoy. Everyone is passionate about something. So when you take that and you teach that knowledge that you have learned from experience and you teach it on this platform, YouTube, that is absolutely free, you can make some money. Not one time have I received a bill from YouTube for using their platform. Okay, so I'm going to delve into this. Now, I did start my channel. It was a fluke accident it was in January of 2018, and I was making a chunky glitter tumbler. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to record what I'm doing, and I'm going to put it on YouTube. And I'm just, it might be useful to somebody. The video was horrible quality. I filmed it in portrait mode, and it was awful. I used my phone and I had it duct taped to a candle holder. Okay, so I really got into the Etsy passive income and making digital designs, and a lot of people, when you hit about 4,000 to 5,000 subscribers on YouTube, that's when your haters and your trolls start coming into your channel. For example, this last video I did, how much money does my small YouTube channel make? Before the video was even finished, I had literally just uploaded it. Somebody immediately thumbs it down, put the thumbs down on it. So I'm going to also do a video on how to deal with haters, because usually haters, they don't really have, anything else better to do but to go through and, thumbs down videos. You will never see the big YouTubers that, have, 500,000 to millions of subscribers leave hate comments on somebody else's video. And it's because they're busy working. And they're busy, improving their life. And I also have a lot of ideas and improvements that I want to do for this channel. Okay, so I am going to go in here into analytics, and I'm going to show you where I'm at now. Now, they're really wanting me to use this new YouTube analytics, and I'm going to. I just have not had a chance, so I'm going to stay on classic. And I am going to go here. And once again, the reason I'm doing this, and it's not a lot of money. I'm not in any way, shape, or form bragging. I'm telling everybody, take your knowledge at what you're passionate about, and I'm encouraging you to start a YouTube channel. It is passive income. It's making money in your sleep. Literally. You make the videos, and I'm not kidding you. It's like I woke up, I looked at this, and I thought, holy cow. I mean, it really jumped up. Okay, so this is my channel here, and I'm just going to jump right in here into the ad rates. Now, the ad rate looks like it's gone down a little bit since I did the video the other day, but I am still getting a very high CPM rate, which is $22.25, and that stands for cost per mil. A lot of people think it stands for cost per minute. It actually, or cost per minute. It's actually cost per mil. So the other day it was at 23, and this fluctuates. And I have found that educational channels, they tend to do better with the CPM rate than someone who just does like a vlog, you know, like Alicia's daily life or something like that. Okay, so this is how much, $677.61 that has been earned in this pay period. Okay, now I do not get to keep all of this. YouTube gets 45% and I get 55%. I believe that's correct. If I'm not, someone feel free to correct me in the comment section below. But I believe that's what it is. So if I click here on revenue, it tells me here that my estimated revenue is $375.80. So we're getting close to $400 now. I keep thinking to myself, you know, I can't imagine what this amount is going to look like a year from today. And especially with all the plans that I have for my channel. So I just can't imagine what this is going to look like in a year. I can't imagine what it's going to look like in another 6 months. This is July. I can't wait to see what this is going to be in December. So, and then a year from now, you know, and then in 2 years from now. This is truly passive income. And the reason that I say that is because I purposely did not make a video for a solid 2 weeks because I wanted to see what would happen. And the videos are always going to be there, and they are going to continue to make money. So I'm telling you, if you are passionate about something, if you're into woodworking, if you're into the stock market, you know, whatever you are interested in, beauty channels or whatever. Now, there's a lot of competition in those types of areas, just like mine. You have to find a way to stand out from the rest. And I like to do it by just being authentic and personable. Okay? So, this is really all I have to share today is this video, you know, and how much this is what I'm going to receive. But actually, it's always a little bit more than that. So let me hop over here to Google AdSense, and I am in my payments. This is my balance right now, $388.18. And I didn't even make a video for 2 solid weeks. So I'm telling you, this is the way to go. So you don't need a lot to start a YouTube video, and I am going to link the video that I did the other day at the end of this video so you can watch part 1. And, you know, like I said, this is just some inspiration for you to start your YouTube channel. You know, and also it doesn't really matter technically on the subscriber count. So I'm close to 6,000 subscribers now. Somebody who has 15,000 subscribers, they may not be making this amount. They might be making a lower amount because they have a vlog type channel or something like that. They might be making a lower amount because it's all about that CPM rate that I was talking about earlier. So you really want to try to get that CPM rate up, and you can do some research on how to do that. I have done some research on it and just personally found that educational channels tend to get a higher CPM rate. And that's what you're going for on the ads. So I hope this video was helpful to you and inspiring, you know, to start your YouTube channel. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment section below. I will say that I also run a Facebook group that now has, I think, 1,600 members that goes along with my Etsy passive income. So if you would like to join that group, I will also leave that in the comment, or I will leave it down below. So if you would like to become a member of that group, you just have to answer the 2 questions, and one of the moderators or myself will allow you into the group. The board is being monitored almost 24/7. I have people from all over the world. I've got moderators watching from all over the world. So if I'm asleep, usually somebody else is up. So just wanted to share this with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.